Good morning, boys. We're doing 1,000 push-ups today. It's mainly just going to be me and my brother. The plan is that I'm going to be doing 40 sets of 25 push-ups. It's not going to be, obviously, it's not going to be all in a row. So I'm planning we're doing 40 sets of 25 push-ups. ये शायद 500 तक करेगा.
1000 मैं भी कर लूँगा.
हम दोनों 1000 push-ups करने वाले हैं. That's it.
You want to hell! I refuse to die like this! I'll drive them all out! Kill them with my bare hands! Do you hear me? With my bare hands!
I'm loading up my clip, got a plan for tonight. A Glock in my hand, in my pocket is a knife. I'm looking for a victim, pushing keys on the scheme. I wanna make a thing for $1 million ride clean. I'm loading up my clip, got a plan for tonight. A Glock in my hand, in my pocket is a knife. I'm looking for a victim, pushing keys on the scheme. I wanna make a thing for $1 million ride clean.
Yes. Of the thousands of comrades and the tens of thousands of enemies, you're the only one who made me forget my dream.
courageous fallen, the anguished fallen. Their lives have meaning because we, the living, refuse to forget them. And as we ride to certain death, we trust our successors to do the same for us. Because my soldiers do not buckle or yield when faced with the cruelty of this world. My soldiers push forward. My soldiers scream out. My soldiers rage!
I'll kill him! Rip out his spine! I'll kill him! I'll kill him! You're dead! 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 Fucking dead! I'm fucking
There's no need for you to worry yourself. It was for my own sake that I did all that. It wasn't for you in particular. It's just my nature. I'd rather fight with my sword than run away, that's all.
So that's the only reason? You fought 100 men because it's not in your nature to run away.
Yeah, pretty much.
The last set was not recorded, but मेरा total 415. तेरा कितना है?
320.
इसका 320 चल रहा है, मेरा 415 चल रहा है.
Никогда не впаду в отчаяние! What in the world's going on with this armor? The moment I put it on, all of my pain went away. No, that's not it. It's more like I don't care about pain anymore. More important than pain is this impulse that's rising within me. I feel as though there's something violent boiling up from within.
Let go.
I see.
Let go.
This.
Let go of everything.
This is my.
Let go. Cutting straight into Let go. Whack me, whack me. Yeah, let me see some. Okay. You cannot say pop and forget the smoke. I'm from the floors where niggas talk. They gotta be cribs, so they turn fruit. Driving through the veil, dropping the joke. I got a lot of 50 niggas jokes. Drill like, who these niggas? I don't know. But I'm on go, and I'm in that Bugatti. Moving, too high. Giving bucks like who shot you? Me and Trey, that's four choppers. Man down. All you see is helicopters, paramedics, pick them up, they gon' send them to the doctor. I'm in love like an angel, resident, get that nigga. My chicks is clear, your chicks is spending, and I got a couple gangsters, let me know. If you want smoke, cause boy I can send it, and I got a bad bitch, ass up, face down, yeah she love doggy style, and she got a Louis bag, that whole extendo. Let me see some. Okay. My bitch love Coco. Back baby. Let me see some. Okay.
Got it jumping out the zoo, seeing red, seeing blue. Yelling flame out.
I don't make mistakes. I'm not just like the rest of you. I'm stronger. I'm smarter. I'm better. I am better.